guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your one and only baby girl, on your best beauty. And in today's video, we are going to be doing some unboxing, guys. Yes. Now, this pacco, this passo, in Italian, si chiama pacco. In English, si chiama passo. Okay, whatever the case may be, it was supposed to arrive yesterday. But I don't know, because in their website, they updated it that they were going to deliver it yesterday. It was updated to out of delivery. So definitely it was supposed to be delivered yesterday. But one thing led to other. What I think what happened was he took it home. Maybe he couldn't deliver yesterday, he took it home because he came quite early this morning. At around 8 to 8:30. And guys, the first thing I heard, I just woke up from sleep and I just heard the knock. Okay, I knew they were gonna deliver it this morning since they didn't come yesterday. And yeah, we have my parcel. This is the best part. When you're ordering, you feel a bit you're not this happy because you know you're spending, right? I think the best part is when it arrives. Unboxing is the best part, trust me. I think another thing that might spoil it is when it is not exactly as you ordered. But let's see. I hope it is exactly the way I ordered. All right. Now, before we get into it, I ordered this from AliExpress. Okay. Quite a few things I feel I needed. I'm a hairstylist. I'm an hairstylist. Hairstylist. I'm an hairstylist. Okay. So I ordered some quite a few items I think I needed for my business, okay, and my work. I also sell wigs, one of my collections. Like I practically made this wig from scratch, okay. The coloring, the cutting, because I did a little bit of cutting, okay. Yeah, it is not layers, okay, not layers. I actually trimmed it from, I think, about 24 inches to 22, about just took 2 inches off. Yeah. So let us get into why we are here. Unboxing. We're gonna go through it from. I love unboxing. Don't use unboxing play with me. I love unboxing. Yay! We have quite a number of items inside. Quite a number of items. Woo! Woo! I love unboxing. I love unboxing. This is one thing. Like, how do we do it? Like, how do we do these things, we women? I know not just me, quite a number of women will do these things, like ordering. We don't get tired of ordering. Wow. Ordering is life, baby. Ordering is life. So we're gonna go into the first. What do we have here? What do we have here? I hope I don't cut any of these items inside. I need to be. Yeah! Guys, this is a phone holder. I needed it for my car. The one in my car got I don't know, the sticky parts got spoiled, or is not sticky. It's not sticky as usual, so I have to get something else. If you have any means of getting these things back, like the sticky part, in case it doesn't get sticky any longer, if there's something I can do to make it sticky, I have like two that is not sticky as usual. So I feel it has spoiled. I just dumped it. If you have any information as to what I can do to get it back to being sticky, I would really appreciate it. Please leave it in the comment section for me. Thank you. So let us see. The first one is a magnet bracket. Mamma mia. But it's beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. It has a suction cup. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I can't wait to use it. When I'm cooking, I need this to, to be able to place it on the wall, to be able to do some cooking vlog as well. All right. So I think that's good. Another one we have here is let's see. Okay, Max. This is beautiful. I think they kept two in one. I don't know. Let's see what is here. I'm trying so hard not to cut whatever that is inside. Okay, and this is my cutting comb. The one I'm using in my school, it got broken. Some part of the combs got broken, so I got another one. Yeah, I got marks. Now some quite of number of customers, the little ones I have, some of them doesn't like their face being shown. So I thought to get something, okay, to help them or to see if it's going to be easier for us to make videos, because without making videos of your clients, videos are reviews, my loves. Videos are reviews. So wow, this can help hide the identity for whoever wants to. I don't know who would even accept, but I mean, it's definitely will start from one person. Okay, so I think I got about this for about 99 cents or 1 hour. Yeah, about. They are not costly. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what is inside here. Trying to make this video fast so it doesn't get too long. Yeah, my clips. This pink clips, gosh, I love it. And exactly the way I saw it on the photo. Exactly. I love it. Yeah. You know that when you're an hairdresser or you do hairs, okay, these things are things you tend to get often. Like, you don't just know how come they are not there again. Maybe they got lost or something, or you misplaced. Especially when you have kids like me, it's kind of difficult to keep them all together. Okay, so we keep buying to replace. What do we do? Now we have this here. This is a big comb. Now I basically got this comb because I wanted to be using it for layers. When I layer, I have a big comb, but not there's a difference. Okay, big comb, there's big comb for layers. Now this is the exact comb I needed for my layers, and especially when I'm doing pixie cuts. I need this. They are lifesavers. They give you the beauty of this hair. They bring it to life. Okay, so you can see the layering and all that. It's a must have if you're doing layers. A must have. I start for that. Let us get to another one. All these are empty. I've opened them. Let's quickly get to this. What's in here? I just hope I'm not going to be cutting. Okay, these are wig caps. These are wig caps, not the normal wig cap. These are the. I intend using them for. I'm going to cut this off later on. I intend using it for um, a half wig or a U-shaped wig. Okay, so I just practically got them. I think I needed something different from the normal 4x4 closure or whatever. No, I need something without the closure. So it's either I use for a U-part wig or a half wig. I got two of this. Oh my gosh! If you make hairs and you see things like this, like it comes in, but within 1 month you start looking for them. You start looking for where exactly did this thing go? Where exactly did these things go? Now these are clips. I have them in yellow. I think I just got all two colors. The ones I have were blacks. So I got yellow and purple and one more color, pink. Baby guess color. Yeah. I think the ones more, I think about 10 pieces. I have up to 6 purple and just a little of pink and yellow. Yeah, we have just one more thing here. Everything finished. Just this thing. Just one more. I'll say one more. I think they just compile them into one. Okay, but these are clips. These are clips. Hair clips. Okay, I actually got this in case I'm doing coils to hold them in when I'm using my spray, my what's it called? Strong shapers to hold this the coils. And I don't intend to fold these coils immediately. I can use this to hold them. Pins. Okay, what's in here? Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Like totally forgot I got this. Guys, this is tapes. Okay. This is for taping bundles, all right? Because I intend making one. I have an extra weft bundle that I intend making into a tape in. And these are tapings, guys. Oh my gosh. Like, how did I forget I got this one actually? I don't know. But yeah, it's nice to see that it is here. I'm going to be making taping. Probably I'm going to do a video as we get into that one when it is right, when I see time, because I'm always busy. Okay, let us see another one we have here. Another mask. We've seen one. I think it's another pattern, but just in max. Okay, guys, I still got eyelashes. I love the pattern, guys. Look at what it is. Are you seeing the pattern of these lashes? Are you seeing how beautiful? Like it started from here, a smaller. I think it started from here. It became scanty, and then it gets fuller and longer here. So beautiful. So I got it. I think it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. All these are very cheap on AliExpress. If you're not using it, try it. They are very cheap on AliExpress. Very cheap. Like what I'm saying is not even up to 1 euro. Okay, we got this two pack. So in 2 pack, 1 pack is about 36. 36. I think the 2 pack should be about 72 there about here. And the last thing I have here, is our coiler. The most important thing I have here is my coiler. I have this in, I think 24. I have it in 24. I have it in about 18. I also have in about 32. Okay. So I felt I needed something different, something bigger. I went in for this is about 30. It's 32. No, I can't buy 32 twice. This is 38. Yeah. On the description, it was 38. I'm very certain there's nowhere we get 32 twice. So I think it's about 38. It's a bigger one. I can't find it here, but I'm very certain I didn't get 32. I didn't. I can't. If not, I will cry because I knew now. I knew I didn't get 32. I knew. This is 38, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. I really love this coiler. And I'm going to be putting into practice and then I'll show you what it gives. That the exact coils I'm going to show you in a video, in another video. Yes, guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I really love these items. I'm going to go in and try them one after the other. If there's any need for videos, I'm going to do video. All right? Yeah. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching up to this point. I really appreciate you and I love you. I don't take you for granted. I do not take you for granted, though. I love all of you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.